Does your printer keep showing as idle, even when you're trying to print? This is one of those annoying issues where nothing seems wrong, yet nothing prints either. Here's what's going on and how to fix it. An idle printer status usually means the printer is connected, but your computer isn't sending the print job to it, or the job is stuck in a queue. Fix number 1. Check the print queue. Open your printer settings, find your printer, and click to open the print queue. If there are any jobs stuck in there, cancel them all and try printing again. Fix number 2. Restart the printer and your computer. This clears temporary errors and reestablishes the connection. Turn the printer off, wait 30 seconds, turn it back on, then restart your PC. Fix number 3. Make sure your printer is set as the default. On Windows, go to Settings, then Bluetooth and Devices, then Printers and Scanners. Click your printer and select Set as Default. Fix number 4. Reinstall the printer driver. Outdated or corrupted drivers are a common cause. Go to your printer manufacturer's website, download the latest driver, uninstall the old one, and reinstall fresh. Fix number 5. Check your USB or Wi-Fi connection. A loose cable or weak signal can cause your printer to appear idle even when it's powered on. For printer deals and ink savings up to 70% off, visit CastleInk at the link below.